somebody give me some fruit. The double-edged sword to me trying to farm out these guys for health is one of them could pop and turn into a demon and really ruin my day. Alright.
Wow.
Oh, I already have Dragon Kick. Okay, well, I get 1,000 more gold for my trouble.
Time for a little fun.
Mistiming my dodges on their counter uppercuts is killing me. And that's rough that you don't get a save point. That's handy. Leave that for later. Oh. Whoops.
Nice.
Oh, did it break? Did the hammer just drop out of existence? Oh. I wonder if I can shockwave this guy. Yes, yes I can.
Nice.
Oh, these guys trigger right before you leave the area. Oh, did I take those guys out already? Oh. Kind of wasted that power up. Whatever. Later. Okay, I think all that's left is this room over here. Oh, and this one? Oh. Should probably save this guy too before he dies. Alright, there you go.
Wow.
That's right, alright. And these big elites have a ton of hit points. Fortunately, if you just read their attacks accordingly, they're not too bad.
Wow.
Alright.
Nice.
Fruit. Fruit's good. Roulette orbs are good. Oh yeah. I was gonna say, if that guy turned into a demon, I would have been slightly bothered. Ooh. Alright.
Nice. Great.
Now we can try and find the bonus fairy. I'll leave that there for now. Leave that there for now. Guess what? Yep, this guy. Another strategy, like I mentioned with the dodge canceling, involves interrupting your square combo strings to reset the series of moves and do damage faster, essentially. Alright. Let's see if this one is any less... Oh, the car one. In true Street Fighter fashion, we are tasked with destroying a car in the time limit. Ooh. Almost. I think I should have used Divine Smash there instead. I wonder if I could do it from here. because I had the gold roulette token sitting on the field. That's why I did that. Otherwise, it would have been a waste of my orbs on a bonus stage.